Good afternoon and welcome to KFX Trading. If you're new, please hit that like and subscribe button. I have another absolute ripper of a trade to show you. Again, this is a 1 minute scalping strategy. I absolutely love these types of setups. They don't take long to form and their execution time is minutes. Now, as I do, before we start, I always show my figures. The longest trade time was 5 minutes and 12 seconds. We had a gross P&L of $400. After your fees, we're looking at 381 smackaroos. And without further ado, let's just jump into the trade, see how it played out. And okay, the market's just had this huge push down. The market's picked a direction and it's pushing to the downside. So we need the market now to give us a reason to continue this downtrend. Okay, so let's have a look at what's happening. You can see that the market is consolidating somewhat here. We've had this little bit of a consolidation. The market's dropped again. It's the 1 minute time frame, 1 minute trading strategy. These are absolutely great. They're quick, they're pops, they're good returns. You risk a small amount. And I'm very, very confident in these setups. So, okay, you can see market's pushed back up. It's pushed back to where it's broken out. I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to put a sell stop limit. And let's see what happens. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put my entry right here. And we're going to see the market's either going to push back up, okay, or it's going to push down and trigger us into the trade. And since we've failed to break below this area, that's going to be my target, okay? So it's most likely going to be a quick one-to-one pop. Let's just see how it plays out if we get triggered in. But I like it. We were moving sideways. We were consolidating. We've broken out of the consolidation. Good break, okay? All right, we're in the trade. Going to put my stop losses here, and like I said, I'm gonna aim for these swing lows. Why am I aiming for these swing lows? Well, because market failed to break it here. We pushed up. Okay, awesome. You know what? I'm just gonna move these. It's just moved me to a break-even stop loss too soon. You need to give the market time to breathe. You cannot, and I repeat, you cannot just quickly put your stop loss to break even straight away. The market needs time to breathe, to develop its move, to go. You're going to cut yourself short many times. Okay, we're pushing down. Again, beautiful setup, consolidated within here, broke out, decent break, retrace. Look at these rejections here. Now we're pushing down. Let's see how this plays out. Just going to put them all here. Oh, bang, bang, bang. Awesome. Absolute ripper, like I said. 1 minute trading strategy. We broke out of this area. Okay, we pushed down, we retraced, gave us a reason to get in. Again, price action is king. Absolute bloody ripper. All right, guys, we'll jump over to TradingView and explain this in more detail. All right, now you've seen that. You've seen how it happened. It was quick. It was sharp. It was just to the point. Like, again, I absolutely love those 1 minute scalps. So first, we needed the market to make a direction, and you notice that happened. The market dropped. Okay, so that told us we had a direction that's formed. So we're looking for shorts, but we need the market to pull back up, okay, and then give us our trade setup. So what did the market do? The market did retrace to here, but that's not it. We now need something clear. We can't just take a setup after the market's retraced. We need the market to tell us that it's going to drop. And you would have noticed that the market then started to just consolidate. And this is good. I really like my consolidations. Now, you would have noticed in the trade that the market was failing to break this low. Okay, so that's always going to be our first target. So the market broke out. What do we see? The market shot down, okay, and again, it failed to break this low. But the market then pulled straight back up. Excuse me, let's just click this here. The market then pulls straight back up to here. And once again, we don't just blindly take a setup here, okay? We needed the market to give us an entry. We needed the market to give us a reason to enter that setup. What did we get? Well, we got rejection candles. And again, I cannot stress this enough. All right, price action is king. You need to understand price action. You cannot blindly enter the trade. So many times I've seen the market pull back up to here, all right, and then just shoot up. All right, so you need to know why to enter a trade. So what happened? The market came here and it gave us rejection candles, rejection weeks, sorry. So we've seen 1 week, we've seen another week. That was telling us that the market couldn't go up any further. So this is why I put my entry below here. Boom, we got triggered in, price came down, hit our target. Again, our target was here. Why was our target here? Because of this market kept failing to break below that. Price action told us to get in. Again, I've got a free, completely free price action course. The link will be down below. I'll throw a link in the comments as well. It's absolutely free. Not asking you to put your email down, not asking for your phone numbers, nothing here to help. Free course, watch it. It's half an hour. It's to the point. I'm not telling you all these other things. These are the actual price action setups that I use, okay? So go and have a look at that. All right, here we are on Trading View. And as you can see, this is what I meant. The market shot down, okay? So this is where the market made that decision. You see, we just went up, all the way down. And then we started to consolidate, okay? So this was beautiful. This is what's telling me, all right, here we go. A move is gonna play out. And as you've seen in the actual trade, the market broke out of this consolidation. So we've got one candle break and then we've got another candle break. So that tells me there's a volume. It wasn't just a one candle break and then we reversed. Market then retraces. Let's just move this out of the way. Market then retraces, comes back up to here, and again, this is where price action comes to play. One rejection, two rejection. That was more than enough to tell me, hey, this market is going to go down. If it doesn't go down, it's just going to shoot up and never trigger us in. So I put my entry here just below this rejection candle. So this candle here was the one that told me. So this is a rejection candle. Put my entry just below it. So the markets then triggered us in, pushed down, shot back up, moved sideways, and then boom, hit here. All right, so this, I always count this as a 1-to-1 because the main stop loss was up to here. But then pop, it took like 4 to 5 minutes. Happy days, absolute banger of a trade. 1 minute scalping strategies. You're done and dusted for the day. Shut your laptop down. Go have a coffee, go have a feed, just enjoy your day and enjoy your life. All right, guys, I hope that made sense. I hope you've understood that. If you have anything you didn't understand, just drop it down in the comments below. I'm more than happy to help.